Let's talk about it. Let's go deep. We all have something to share. No share with Dr. Dave.
So, what would you like to leave our listeners with? A word of inspiration?
I think one of the things I want to say is you still need a happy environment where people can laugh. You've got to be able to have some humor. But if you can get a group of people together and you can laugh, and if you are not a funny person, share some jokes from YouTube. Because laughter is healing to the soul. And when we're dealing with humans, oh my gosh, with all the things that go wrong, there's got to be some healing that's around. And the way we can bring healing into a work atmosphere is through laughter.
Let's talk about it. Let's go deep. We all have something to share. No share with Dr. Dave.